Hi, fourth grade. How are you doing? Are you feeling good? I hope so. Welcome to another lesson. What can you see in the picture? Of course, one of you is going to tell me it's a house garden. You are right. And I want to ask you, how can you find garden's perimeter? How can you find garden's perimeter? If you have its length is 8 meters and its width is 4 meters. If you don't know, by the end of the lesson, you are gonna know. Welcome to our new lesson, which is lesson 13.1, perimeter. And in our today's lesson, we're gonna talk about how can we use a formula. How can we use a formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? So what is the meaning of perimeter? What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is a distance around the shape. Is a distance around the shape, as you see in the picture. If you have a garden and you want to know the distance around it, you are gonna to add the first length plus the second length plus the third length plus the fourth length. So you're going to use addition operation to find the distance around it. Right. So the meaning of perimeter is the distance around the shape. The distance around the shape by using addition formula. Let's write it. 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. Let's calculate it. 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 10 plus 5 again, also 15. Equals 15 plus 15. Great. 30. 30 what? 30 meters, for example. Now, I used a new formula, which called addition formula. Yes. So, if you want to find the perimeter of any rectangle, you can add all of its sides lengths. Right? Alright. Now, I have a new formula for you. Now, I'm gonna ask you, how many 5 can you see? And how many 10s can you see? Here, in the picture. I can see 2 10s. So, I'm gonna multiply 2 by 10. Plus, how many 5 can you see? Exactly 2. So, I'm gonna multiply 2 by 5. Let's calculate it. 2 by 10 equals 20. Plus 2 by 5 equals what? 10. 20 plus 10. Great. 30. 30 meters. The same answer. The same answer. Now I discovered a new formula. I discovered a new formula which called what? Which called multiplication. Multiplication formula. Alright. I have two formulas now. Two formulas. Addition formula and multiplication formula. Alright, let's unlock the problem. Collier is putting a stone border around his rectangular garden. The length of the garden is 7 feet. As you see, all of this equals 7 feet. All of this length equals 7 feet. The width of the garden is 5 feet. Can you see width equals 5 feet? How many feet of stone border does Colin need? How many feet of stone border does Colin need? In this question, he wants you to know the distance around its garden. The distance around his garden. So what should I do? You should to follow one of two formula that you have started right now. The first one said addition. So I'm gonna add 7 plus 5 plus 7 again, because here is 7. It's opposite to this side, so they are equal in length. Plus 5 again. Here 5 according to his brother. Now 7 plus 5 equals 12. Plus again, 7 plus 5, 12. The final answer is what? Great, 24. 24 what? He said feet, so you should to write the same unit, 24 feet. If you apply the next formula, you will find the same question answer. Let's see. I have 2 7s, so I'm going to multiply 2 by 7 plus 2 5s. So I have 14 plus 10. 14 plus 10, exactly 24 feet, the same answer. Now they are the same answer, so the formula which is number 1 equals the formula which is number 2. Here we go. What is the meaning of formula? Now I'm gonna tell you. Formula is a mathematical rule like this. P equals 2 multiply L plus 2 multiply W. P means parameter, L means length, W means width. Right, so if I have any rectangle, I'm gonna use it to solve the parameter, to find the parameter. Yes, you are right. Let's solve again. Find the parameter of the rectangle. Find the parameter of the rectangle. The rectangle, its length is 18 meters and its width is 14 meters. Right? Right. Also, length is greater than width. Alright, let's apply to find the parameter. Our formula says 2 multiply L. L equals great 18 plus 2 multiply W. W equals great, width is 14. Now you should to find the answer. 2 by 18, exactly 36. 2 by 14. Double 14 equals 28. Great job. The sum of them, add all of them step by step. 6 plus 8, 14, 4, and we carry up 1. 4 plus 2, 6. Great job. So 64. 64 what? According to his unit. According to its unit. Yes, meters. So 64 meters. It's a parameter of this rectangle. Let's practice more. Share and show part. Find the parameter of the rectangle. I have a rectangle. Its length is 8 and its width is 4 feet. Feet. The unit is feet. Now, our new formula is 2 multiply what? Plus 2 multiply what? Great. 2 multiply L plus 2 multiply W. 2 multiply L. L means length, which equals 8. Here 2 multiply, great, 4. Great, 4. So 8 multiply 2, 16. 4 multiply 2, or 2 multiply 4, 8. 16 plus 8. Great job! 24. The parameter is 24 feet. Here we go. Practice more. Find the parameter of rectangle or square. You can find the parameter for the rectangle or for square. Look, the first one is 16 yards, which is L, and 4 yards, which is W. Great. Length and width. Now use a new formula that we have studied right now. 2 multiplied by what? Plus 2 multiplied by what? Great. 2 multiplied by L, which is 16, plus 2 multiplied by 4, and calculate them. 2 by 16, 32, plus 2 by 4 equals 8. 32 plus 8, great job, 40. 40 what? 40 yard, because he said yards. 40 yards, the perimeter of this rectangle. Let's go to the second one. I have a new rectangle, its length 110 meters and its width 42 meters. So use a new formula. Use a new formula that we have studied right now. 2 by what? 2 pi what equal plus 2 pi what? 2 pi what plus 2 pi what? Great. 2 pi length. Length equals 110 plus 2 pi width 42. Now you should to double 110. 2 multiply 110. Double 110. 220. Yes, you are right. Plus 2 multiply 42. Double 42 is 84. You are right. Now add all of them step by step. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 0 and we carry up 1. So here 3. 3, the final answer, 304 meters. Great job. Now you should look at the third one. I have a square and I'm gonna apply the same formula. 2 pi what plus 2 pi what? The length is 4 and the width is also 4. And this is a fact in the square. It has the same length. It has the same side lengths. So 2 pi 4 plus 2 pi 4. 2 pi 4 plus 2 pi 4 equals 8. 8 plus all of them. Add all of them together. The final answer is 16. Great job. Now you are right. On your own part, find the perimeter of the rectangle or square. Practice more. You have a rectangle here. 2 pi what plus 2 pi what? 2 pi L. L here means length, 34 inches. Plus 2 pi what? 2 pi 20 inches. So 2 multiply 34, double 34. 68 plus 2 multiply 20, it's easy, 40. Add all of them step by step. 8 plus 0 equals 8 and 6 plus 4 equals 10. So the final answer is 108 inches. This is the perimeter of all rectangle. 34 twice and 20 twice gives me 108 inches. Question 6. I have a square. Question 6. I have a square and its length is 116 feet. Alright, the same length here. You should apply your formula. 2 multiply what plus 2 multiply what? Great job. 2 multiply 116. 2 multiply 116. 116 by 2. Double it. 232. Great job. And 200 of course 32 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the final answer 464 feet. Here number 7. Apply your formula. I want the perimeter of this rectangle, which is its length is 42. Its width 21. So 2 multiply what plus 2 multiply what? Try to do it. Excellent. 42, 21. 42 by 2, 84. 2 multiply 21. Great job. 42. The final answer. 4 plus 2 equals 6 and 8 plus 4, 12. The final answer 100. 26 meters. Now, do you know how can you calculate the perimeter of this garden? Yes, you know the new formula that you have studied right now. 2 plus multiply what? Plus 2 by what? Great. 2 by 8 plus 2 by 4. 8 is the length and 4 is width. Great job. Calculate them. 16 plus, excellent. 16 plus 8 equals 24. 24 what? Great, 24 meters. You are right. You are perfect. Super. What is the side length of a square? Side length of a square. He asked you about the side length, which is here, of a square. And you have an information before. Square has the same side length for each. Now, he asks you about what is the side length of a square with a perimeter of 60 meters. Perimeter equals 60 meters. When you add this one, this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, you will find the perimeter is 60 meters. So can you find the side length of a square? Write it as a comment after watching. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.